If you love Nutella, you're gonna love these cookies because there's only 4 ingredients. Super simple, super easy, so Nutella tasting. You're gonna love them. We're starting off with 1 cup of Nutella, or you can use another chocolate hazelnut spread. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 large egg, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And all you have to do is mix that together. I'm using a hand mixer. You could also just do it by hand or use a stand mixer. Just mix it until cookie dough forms, and I'm adding 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You could use nuts, you could leave them plain, however you want. I'm gonna scoop 2 tablespoon balls of dough on my cookie sheet, press them to flatten, and then bake them. How easy was that? You don't even need a mixer to make these. These are super chocolatey. They taste like Nutella, of course. They are just so Nutella-y, if that's a word. I don't think it is. Leave me a comment and let me know what other recipes you wanna see using my favorite spread. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more cookie recipes.